Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today at the same location I've been for last time I showed you already. So we're back here. So we know all the food with the town is. So let's go back to it. So let's get this done and let's get it on with it. And also we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going to through the town. Not the long way, not gonna take too long. We are gonna go to here. Let me show you this right. So I'm back here, the same locations. So this is the area I stopped here making the video. So I'm gonna go back where I came from. And we're all the through. Okay, let's see where it takes me. So let's get the video right now. Yeah. Anyway, guys, we are back. Alright, guys, we are back here. So it's a different location now. So different video, different area. So we're gonna do a different location video. So guys, we're back here. Do another banger video. So this is gonna be a fantastic one for you guys. Let me set the mic up for going in. Go back to chair as well. And table in the school. In the guys, so we're building up here. Let's down here. Alright, let's go. So where are you? Look at the park. I think this is the park area. Let's have a look. Just before going further, let's have a look here. Before going over there, first I can up here to do video. So I just want to show you guys what's down here. So nothing much here, bunch of forest. I think there's a park here somewhere. I'm not sure, guys. So let's head back down, keep going straight. I'm gonna keep the video for the next time. We're gonna come back here for the next time, yeah. So let's see how far we can go from here. And yeah, going back downstairs from here. These stairs up here. That's where it goes. So I'm gonna keep it out for the next video. Let's go back down. Alright, guys, let's go from here. See, there's no step here. Go all the way up there. I'm gonna keep it up for the next video. And let's go continue walking. Let's see. There we go now. Yeah, let's get this done and let's get it over there. I don't give a damn where we're going. So I'm gonna do a fantastic video for you guys. Fantastic one. Start the video here. I'm gonna start the video here with the gate is. Let's continue going this way for the next video, yeah. So let's go this way. I don't know how far we can go from here. So this area is very completely right. The other side, that side all the way down here is bridges. Bunch of bridges. So there's a lot of bridges down here. I don't know what's down here, guys. So this pavement is really super dry. I think it is. The other side, down there, all the way down there, completely muddied. So we're not gonna go that way. So we're gonna go this way now. Oh yeah, I know what this is. Look at this cool artwork here, guys. Artwork is so awesome, guys. Have a look. All from here. It's made off of artwork. It's cool. And it's a bridge. Good bridge. Nothing damage, it's empty. Bunch of rubbish in the water. There's a football there. Oh yeah. I know what this is. I know what this is. So all the from there, and inside down here. We go all the way up here, and all the way down here. Now, oh, this artwork is awesome. 86A. Bridge. That's it. Danger. Do not climb. Yes. Oh. Okay. Alright, guys. Let me show you how it works first. So good. Bloody mud. What time is the mud down there? Wow, it's awesome. Zoom up. It is a mud. So yeah, let's go from here and let's see how far we. Oh, it's a bridge. Yeah, it's a long bridge. Hopefully nothing happens. I don't want that. Oh. Man, this is a great day, man. This is a great day ever. I made a video of the pretty ass bridge. Alright, guys, we're gonna go for another bridge. Okay, let's go for it. Shh. Man, it's always cold. Alright, lad. Now, how far we can go from here? Yeah. How far is it?
City centre?
Yeah.
I'd say about. Are you in the mood for walking?
Yeah, I don't know a vlog. I don't know exploring, that's it.
I would say probably.
Yeah.
15-20 minutes.
Yeah.
It's a nice walk though.
Is it quite long?
From here?
Yeah.
Straight all the way.
Straight.
And you come out in by the custard factory.
I don't see nothing.
By Bullring.
Yeah, maybe I have seen it, not much.
Latif's?
Not really, not sure. I'm gonna have a look, so yeah.
I'm just trying to think where. JD Sports.
JD Sports. I thought
You come out. I'll tell you where you come out on Faisley Street. You come out by.
Yeah.
Middle of city centre. It's a nice walk, man. Nice walk.
I'll have a look. Yeah,
It's a nice walk, my brother.
Sorry about distracting you.
No, no problem. You take care, my brother.
Take care, bro. You too.
Enjoy
Yeah?
your walk. Do you smoke cigarettes?
No, I smoke vape.
Yeah. I started on them. I wish I never.
Make sure you do that. Don't smoke.
First cigarette.
Yeah, I don't smoke. No good. This one is good.
Better.
Yeah.
I'll stick with this then.
I got this one here. This one.
Oh, okay.
It's only £10.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll stick with them then.
Yeah. Let me just do this video. Yeah.
Oh, there's on the way. There's some really good one.
Yeah, it is.
There's whole walls. With
Artwork. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of art. On the way there, some of the best artwork you've seen in the country.
Yeah.
Down on the walk.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look now.
Some
Yeah.
of the best artwork you've seen.
All good. Yeah, all good. No, take care. Yeah.
You take care of that.
Yeah. Maybe to.
Have a lovely walk.
Thank you, bro. Alright, guys, look at this amazing artwork here. So, I'm gonna go further. Also, let's continue walking straight. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Anyway, I'm gonna go this way. I don't know what that is. So, it goes all the way up. We do it. Oh, let's do this one. Let's go from here first. Then we're gonna go from here. So, let's go this way. Oh, the screen. I know what this is. Oh, this one? Yeah. Hell yeah. I am gonna come here. This area. Let's go back down. Continue walking. I know what that is. Yeah, I've seen it before. Cool. Alright, guys. So we'll go back down. Go back down. Straight up. Then I'm gonna cut some videos after this. Actually, let me stop the video. Let me stop the video here, guys. Alright, guys. We're back down here. So I made all the way up there. All the way up there with the bridges. With the main roads. Loading cars everywhere. So we'll continue. Alright, guys. It's a fantastic day. So we'll continue going straight. I don't know how far we can go. Let me turn the camera off a bit. Sorry about that. I have to do that. I do some great. So don't worry about it. So I don't do the camera. I'm not going to do the camera because, you know, why? Cool artwork here, guys. Have a look here. Artwork. So, yeah, guys. Hold on a second, guys. Did this guy say inshallah? Oh, that's nice. Thank you very much. So, yeah. Inshallah, boys and girls. I don't know why I'm saying that. Anyway, this is the family channel. Family channel this is. So I'm not going to share the video. That's pretty awesome. Amazing artwork here, guys. Calm down. Nobody likes you. Okay, never mind, guys. Let's have a look at this artwork here. It's so cool. Amazing artwork. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is a fantastic artwork. I'll quickly that one in here. So cool, guys. Look at this. So awesome. Anyway. Let's continue walking straight and try the artwork before going any further down here. So, it is a cool artwork here, guys. Very cool. Look at this there. It is special. There's the ears, eyes, and mouth, everything. Weird, whatever we call it. Okay, guys, let's continue walking this way and let's see how far we can go. Alright, guys. We're just walking fast. I don't know. How the heck is it up there? Oh, the artwork down there. These guys. Alright, guys, let's go to the other side now. The other side of the bridge. Sorry, I'm going to cut some videos from here. Actually, I'm going to start the video here. Guys, I don't want to do too long. Hold on, let me show you. There's another cool artwork. If you guys know what this is, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comment down below. What the heck is this? Okay. I'm going to check it myself after this video. So I'm going to screenshot the photo. So, over to go. This is so awesome. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That is sick. That is sick. Anyway. Let's see. Up from here. All the way down here. So, I got it. Anyways. Why is there so many helicopters around here? All I heard is helicopter, airplanes, everything. So cool. Imagine seeing an abandoned building somewhere. I'll go straight in like this. Guys, I want you to check my video out of the abandoned church. I went there all by myself. No one with me. I was just all by myself doing a crazy video. Abandoned church. It's so cool. I want you guys to check my video out. I'm going to put my video down. The link is going to be on the comments. So it's going to be everything outstanding. I want you guys to check it out right now. And it's going to be awesome. I'm sure the rest of the artwork. You can go from here. There's a some person going that way. That's abandoned. Abandoned place. Building. Whoa. So this place is so cool, guys. If you guys want to do some long walk, very long walk, come to this place. This place is so cool, guys. I want you guys to check it out right now. So awesome. So yeah, you have left the mic. You see the mic? So good. That means a good thing to go. To stand here. I know, guys. Oh yeah, bunch of workers down here. Let me go there. Yeah, see a building there. I know where I am. I know where I am. I know where I am. So yeah, guys. There's a lot. There is a lot of building, abandoned buildings in town somewhere. That I found like 2 or 3 buildings. I found like 4 or 5 or something. There's more buildings in town, more buildings at different areas or different locations. So after searching on Google Maps, look for the abandoned places. So close by me. So I don't go very far. I don't do that. Ain't going far, bro. Anyway, continue walking this way and show you area. There you go. Cool place to be. And let's continue walking. Little home. See from here, guys. Anyways, guys, let's see if we can hold from here. Maybe the building. Anyhow. Okay, guys. I'll read it. Read it. Okay. Oh, okay. Focus to camera. Before going any further, guys, just have a look around here. 88. A place to be. Literally not haunted. Alright, guys. Where's it down here anyway? Okay. Alright, guys, keep going this way. So we see artwork here. Artwork. So I'm going to go off this artwork is awesome. So let's go. Danger of death, keep out. Yeah. Popped up. If we stay in this place, we will really cool. I have to come back here to do a shortcut another place from here. So another place from here, so I know where I'm going, or where I'm going to start the video. I know this place ends also when, so never pointed out really okay, guys. Have a look. There's no way we can go there, no way. Because this whole boat is shut. So good. Area. What the heck is that? Weird. Oh, flash. I'm still better staying recording though, good. Yeah, I'll have to do some cutting videos around here. There's my cheese on. I know what's up there. So good. Let's have a look at the artwork, guys. New artwork here. And the door down here. Look. You're on the boy? Whatever. Yeah, guys. How cool is that? Bunch of cool. There's a bunch of cool artwork here, guys. Look, have a look at this. So cool. The old man there. Anyway, I've been walking all the way through my area and all the way to here. So let me have a look. I'm gonna have a look what's down here, guys. So I'll be all good to go. So, ouch. There's a bunch of bridge, I think. So let's move it down here, guys. Let me touch it. Oh, alright, guys. All the way from here. All the way from here. So, read stuff. And guys. Alright, guys. I see another bridge. I see another bridge down there. What I'm gonna do is end the video. This is perfect spot to stop the video. Alright, guys. Excuse me before the mic goes off. Alright, guys. On this note, if you enjoy the video of these crazy adventures, I might continue walking this way all the way to town. So it's gonna be amazing, outstanding. So I know where I am, so it's gonna be amazing, outstanding. On that note, make sure like, comment, like the video, smash the like button right now, hit the subscribe button right now, and also hit the comment. Sorry, bro. Okay. Also, yeah, comment down below if you want to continue. I'm gonna continue walking this way. Comment if you want you guys to do a video like this. Continue walking this way all the way through the town. It's gonna be outstanding video. So for the next video, it's gonna be part 3. So I'm gonna continue. So yeah, and then note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.